Sa Sandiwa Filitalia Kalayaan 2025 sa Milan, tunay ang bayanihan. Isang komunidad na magsama-sama, nagtutulungan, at ipinagdiriwang ang kalayaan ng may pagkakaisa at puso.
Independence gave the Filipino people the space to embrace their culture, languages, traditions, and heroes without fear. It enforces the pride in being Filipino, a recognition of the country's rich heritage and resilience. Independence symbolizes the sovereign right of Filipinos to govern themselves, make their own laws, and chart their nation's path. It affirms that leadership and decisions about the nation must come from its own people, not outsiders. Ongoing struggle for true freedom. While political independence was declared in 1898, the essence of freedom is continuous, seen in the fight against corruption, poverty, inequality, and foreign influence today. True independence includes economic empowerment, social justice, and the protection of democratic rights. Legacy of sacrifice and heroism. Philippine independence is rooted in the sacrifice of countless heroes and ordinary citizens who gave their lives for the nation. It is a reminder of the power of unity, courage, and national love in the face of tyranny. Collective celebration. At the recent Sandiwa event, full name, Sandiwa Filitalia Kalayaan 2025 Filipinos in Milan, gathered en masse for cultural performances, flag ceremonies, communal meals, and contests, showcasing a strong sense of collective effort. Cultural and social solidarity. Multiple posts on Instagram and Facebook emphasize the day-long gathering of Filipino families and individuals, reflecting a shared mission to celebrate independence through unity. Supportive atmosphere. The essence of bayanihan, working together to lift each other up, was seen in how the Filipino community pooled talents, ideas,